and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on the screens once again. So I saw something on my YouTube analytics. I saw that 85% of my viewers are coming from new people who have never seen my channel, are clicking in on the first time, they're discovering me, and I quickly wanted to say hi. My name is Tshidi Radebe. I have been in the natural hair community for quite some time. I've been creating natural hair content for maybe 7 years, 5, 6, 7 years, and I've grown this channel to what it is today, and my goal is to grow it to 10,000 subscribers before the end of this year. So without any further ado, let us get right into it. My old ones who are watching my videos know that I used to snap before my intro came through. Those are my OGs. Those are my day ones, my ride or dies. But I think now that the algorithm has been pushing my content to new people, I really hope that this is a place where you can find your natural hair answers. I can be your natural hair bestie, your internet bestie, and I can help you grow your hair, answer questions that you may need answers to. I will try my hardest to also try to experiment like I used to. And yeah, so you guys already saw the topic of today is flaxseed gel. Why should we be using it? What the heck is flaxseed gel? And why does it matter? You know, I'm going to be answering all of these questions for you today. So before we get right into it, don't think I forgot to say thank you, because without you commenting and engaging on my content, I will never be able to know if it's worth it or if it's not, if it's helping someone. And I really love talking to you guys, so please do comment anytime in the video. If you feel like there's something that you want to say, please don't be shy. Don't be the person who just watches and says bye without actually letting me know your thoughts. As a matter of fact, analyze this video, let me know what I can do better, and then we will take it from there. Okay, so the first person I would like to thank is Tulufelo. Thank you so much. AMCG, Deno Renee, I think that's how you say it. Thank you. Beauty Up Above, that's such a beautiful username. Also Tetwa, Bongi, Jida, and last but not least Loixana. I'm not, guys, my sister texts me every time I do my intro. She's just like, why do you butcher people's names? I'm so sorry for butchering your name. And my old one knows all of these plants that are behind me. You guys have seen them in my videos, and they've grown, they're big babies. So I've decided that today I'm going to shoot in my little jungle corner because I just wanted, something a little bit different for today. So let us get right into it. What is flaxseed gel? Flaxseed is basically a plant, and it produces seeds, which these seeds are brown, and they are very high in fiber. So that is what flaxseed is. You can use it on your hair, so that it produces mucilage, and then you use it on your hair as a gel. You can infuse it and make an oil for your hair or your food. There's so many things that you can do. You can put it in your salad dressings. It's high in fiber again, so you can have it right early in the morning. Listen, she is a versatile babe. She is giving I am a potato. There's nothing I cannot do. So here's why I would always recommend that you use flaxseed gel, and why I started using flaxseed gel. So throughout this video, I will put some clips of my old videos to show you how to make flaxseed gel at home and how to use it and why I love it so much. So first things first, it defines your hair, okay? So for me, I started using it because I felt like I couldn't find a product that could define my hair, and I really wanted to see how my curls actually look like, because even though I am 4C with a tight curl pattern, I still have a curl pattern. I still have definition in my hair, and some products don't really enhance that. And for me, flaxseed never let me down. I used it as a pre-poo, so I prefer to use two types of pre-poos, one being oils or gel. When it's an oil, it will definitely and will always be coconut oil. I will die on the feet of coconut oil. You guys know this, especially as a pre-poo. The second option would be to use a gel for my pre-poo part of my wash day routine. So when I'm using a gel, if I were to pick between aloe vera gel, flaxseed gel, marshmallow gel, I would always pick Flaxseed. Okay, they are, for me, I've used all of them, and Flaxseed gave me the most slip, which is probably my other reason why I absolutely love it so much. When I am taking down my hair, which you guys will see this, my next video should be a wash day, you will see that my hair, obviously when you take down the hair, it's matted, okay? It's matted and you need something to give it slip. The mucilage that Flaxseed produces will give you so much slip that you will love detangling your hair. So if you're somebody who dreads detangling because you find it fussy, your hair may be fussy and it's, it tangles up, I highly suggest that you try to use Flaxseed gel, and it's super affordable, and you don't just have to use it on your hair, you can also consume it, and it's also great for you, right? I liked it because it gave me slip and it defined my hair, but not just that. It actually also helped to retain moisture, meaning if I'm gonna pre-poo the previous day and I sleep with it on my hair and I wash and I start my wash day, I shampoo, I deep condition. By the time I'm going to deep condition my hair is already soft. You get what I mean? It's not stripped, and I think it also helps a lot when I pre-poo with the Flaxseed before I shampoo, in order for the shampoo not to strip my hair, and it's very easy for all the dead hair, the little dead hair that falls out of your scalp. It just falls out easier, if you ask me, okay? So that's the third reason, or the fourth reason. I don't even know how many reasons I am on right now, but I just absolutely love the gel. Not just that, but it also nourishes your hair because it is rich in vitamin E. If you are low on budget and you are trying to lay your hair down and you don't have gel in the house or edge control or any other method to lay your hair down, you can actually use Flaxseed on your hair. It won't leave your hair crunchy. Some gels, your hair, it don't move, okay? But with this one, it will definitely move, and it will continue to nourish your hair while you have it on there. So for me, I will highly suggest that if you are someone who has never tried Flaxseed gel, or you are someone who has been on this natural hair journey for so long that you don't really care too much about a whole lot of stuff, but you would still like to incorporate a few things every now and then, I highly suggest that you use Flaxseed gel. I would use Flaxseed gel and put some coconut oil in it. Oh my gosh, your hair will thank you, okay? It will thank you. This is especially good for somebody who is struggling with dry, brittle hair. You need to increase the elasticity that is in your hair, and in order for you to do that, you need to put in products that are full of moisture, full of water. And the good thing about the mucilage, because you're actually using water to activate it, it's like 2-in-1. You're getting slip, you're getting hydration from the water. I mean, the perks are endless. So I do not want to make this a video long. I hope you guys have gained a little bit more knowledge about what Flaxseed is, when to use it, how to use it. As mentioned, use it as a pre-poo, wash your hair, shampoo, deep condition, and if you're looking for something that will give you a soft hold, especially if you have maybe like 3B, 3C hair, definitely consider using it as a leave-in or as a styling product, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. Your likes, your comments help to grow this channel. It helps to tell the algorithm to say, hey, Tshidi's back again, and push it to other people who may be looking for these answers and options in their natural hair routine. I will see you guys in my next video, and we will definitely be washing my hair, and we're going to be doing we're going to measure my hair, we're going to use a pre-poo, I'm going to show you guys how to prepare your Flaxseed if I will be using it. Guys, we are back, okay? We are back by popular demand. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.